COSORI TurboBlaze getting greasy? Here's how to deep clean it right. If your TurboBlaze smells off, smokes more than usual, or just feels grimy, it's probably time for a deep clean. Here's a fast, safe routine to clean the basket, coil, handle, vents, and exterior without damaging the nonstick or electronics. Step 1. Let it cool and unplug the unit. Always wait until the fryer is completely cool and unplugged before cleaning. Pull the basket out and let everything sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Step 2. Remove the crisper plate and wash both parts. Take out the crisper plate and wash it along with the basket in warm, soapy water. Use a non-abrasive sponge and avoid metal tools. Don't soak the basket handle. Moisture buildup can loosen the internal release mechanism. Step 3. Clean the coil and upper interior carefully. Look up inside the fryer. The heating coil often collects splatter. Use a soft, flexible brush to gently clean around and behind the element. I use a silicone coil brush made for air fryers. It fits the tight curve safely and won't scratch. I've linked the one I use below. Step 4. Wipe down the exterior and vents. Use a damp cloth to wipe the outer housing and handle. Don't spray cleaner directly onto the surface. Check the rear and bottom vents. If there's dust buildup, use a dry brush or vacuum attachment to clear airflow paths. Step 5. Let all parts dry fully before plugging back in. Even light moisture near the coil or control board can cause issues. Let everything air dry completely, then reassemble. If this helped you deep clean your air fryer and get it back to fresh and safe, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need a soft coil brush that fits under the element, I've linked the one I use below. It's bendable, non-scratch, and perfect for safe detail cleaning. Thanks for watching, and keep it spotless.